The pangolin, often referred to as a real-life dragon, is a truly captivating creature. This scaly, armor-plated mammal is the only one of its kind, resembling a miniature dinosaur. It's renowned for its unique defense mechanism. When threatened, it curls into an impenetrable ball, making it almost impervious to predators. Remarkably, these shy, nocturnal animals have a tongue that can extend up to 16 inches to slurp up insects like ants and termites. Their primary diet, however, pangolins are critically endangered due to illegal wildlife trade, making their conservation a critical global issue. Learning about these enigmatic creatures is a voyage into the extraordinary world of nature.